I am going to explain a little about the GFCI outlet. If you look very close, you have the line section and you have the load section. So I'm gonna explain those two little details that are very, very important. On the line section, you're gonna be putting the black wire on the gold side and the ground wire on the silver side. Now the line section is the power that comes from your panel. So the panel from your breaker mainly comes to the line section of this outlet. Now you may be wondering what the load source is for. Now on the load source, you're gonna be connecting additional outlets. Those additional outlets don't require to be GFCI. Now the reason for that is because this particular outlet will protect those other ones, protecting itself at the same time. It is important to know these details because when it comes to a shorted outlet, it's easier to track the problem once you know the source power to the additional outlets that are being protected. When you have GFI exterior outlets or even interior GFCI outlets, and then you try to power any device and connect it here and it doesn't work, okay, but then again, when you test for power, it indicates that you have power. The problem here is not that you don't have power or you don't have neutral. The problem is your outlet. Now, and the way you're gonna know if that's the problem, normally when you press on one of these, you're supposed to hear a clicking sound. If you don't hear that clicking sound, replace the GFCI outlet, and that'll solve your problem.